Hey, Crep Protect has something for all your sneaker cleaning needs. Anything you need, they got. So first up, we got the ultimate rain and stain resistant barrier. Hey, this is one of my favorite products right here, because with this one, you spray it on before you step out. And so it's gonna protect your shoes from any raindrops. You know, if it rains, you don't need to worry about all that because you got Crep Protect. So next up, we got the Cure Cleaning Solution, the ultimate shoe cleaner. Hey, this right here cleans leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, nylon, vinyl, and many more. Next up, we got the Crep Wipe, the ultimate shoe cleaning wipes. Hey, you take these with you on the go. So if you out, somebody step on your shoe, hey, take one of these wipe out. You can wipe them right then and there, and then when you get home, you can go back to the other products. But the Crep wipes, this is what I really like. Then you have the Crepe Brush. This right here will help clean all types of material, leather, suede, nubuck, all of that. This is right here is going to help come behind the Crep eraser and just help, you know, keep it clean and brush all the particles away and keep your suede buttery and moving, you know, in a nice buttery fashion. So now you have your Cure Rag. This is your ultimate rag that you can wash and you can reuse, put in the laundry, you know what I'm saying? But you use this to wash when you got the ultimate shoe cleaner. This is the rag that you want to use on your leather because it's not going to damage your leather. It's real soft to the touch, and it also is like a sponge. It's going to remove all the dirt and all the residue off as you wash them. So www.crepprotect.com has all of your cleaning shoe and your cleaning needs. They have all of these products and more. These are the products you will need to keep all of your sneakers clean, your investments clean. Sneakers are an investment and you want to keep them looking good as long as you can. And if you don't take care of them, they will crumble on you. So these are the products that you need. They also have more products online and on the website. So follow them on Instagram, shop with them, type in the in your search bar www.crepprotect.com. Also, they are set up in your local finish line. Look to around your cash register. You should see a stand, Crep Protect, that has all of these products. So shop with Crep Protect for all of your sneaker cleaning needs.
We top rated, putting heat on sneaks. Say you from the fakes, I need a hero fee. You catching off guards.